Nakaliang ke Sorkar jela gala Pynkhlain ke jing pahara hakanong ba Shillong, kumjuk hakiwei pat ke district headquarter, hadien ke jingjia syak kawang Petrol bom bak hak persya iki jing don jing jok ke Sorkar, kentup iki police station. Habakren Syllad Pathai Khubor u Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District u SC Sadhu Ulaong, ya kini kebentang ngilaya keren hakamit snibaar, bat u Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills. Hakajing shisha ngila Pynkhlain ke jing pahara kamtam hakapor menmit. Ula pentrip beruk bana kaliang USP ula penkrep bahaya ke plan naga benta bentek lakam ya ke jinglong jingman bat ya ka syong suk syong syengan hakanong ba Shillong. Nalor kata ula ongru ngilaya keren halor ki ki sinjam ki badon kam ban syem bat ru na ke benta ban itu ya ki briu ki badon kidi hakini ki kam tombot bat bangin senang syong perkat biang. Syu udisi upentip ru bakila ajing tip syabaro ki office ki tenat Sorkar, ban bu ya ki kali bat ki weipat ki jingdon ki jongki, haki jaka ki basngai, bat ban ombu turmur haki jaka balaitlan kamtam ya ki kali Sorkar. Ngila Pynkhlain ya ka jing pahara bat ngi kermen bahaki ni ki shisngi arsngi, ngin lak ban tek lakam ya ki jinglong jingman baro, kamtam ban penek ya ka syong suk syong san ban rap udisi.
In fact, this also was discussed in last night only with SP. So we are, in fact, strengthening the entire security arrangement during night time, and SP has prepared a contingent plan on this. So by today evening, we are discussing with SP and we are discussing on what action we have to initiate, and in terms of identifying the culprits who are perpetrating this kind of attacks. And we will update again on this evening only. In fact, we have taken for this government properties and particularly for government in the vehicles, we have informed all line department to keep their vehicles and the property in a secured way, particularly not to keep in open areas, particularly vehicles. And all these government properties from last night onwards, all these government properties, particularly police stations, where we have strengthened the security arrangements there. So we are hopeful that in the next 1 or 2 days we can stabilize things, particularly with regard to law and order.